Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're just quickly introducing West Roofing Systems has a new location in Florida. We have a dedicated salesperson down there and a whole team that's willing to come on your roof, do roof proposals, roof inspections, etc. So if there's been interest in West Roofing before and notice we're not in Florida, we are in Florida now. We're located in Palm Beach Gardens. And one thing I like to highlight is in the link in the description there's a case study we did in Florida of Pepper Tree 2 condos, 20 condos, had some issues with sloping. One roof that was that had great wind resistance and was up to the Miami-Dade County codes. So please research that and let us know what you think. And if you're in Florida and you want a roof inspection, please let us know. But that's it for today. Just wanted to introduce that. And thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.